Today we will discuss exercise 3.3 question number 10 second part. Exercise 3.3 question number 10 second part. Students, have you completed this question in homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed?
Sir.
All the students have completed this question.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11.
Please tell question number 12.
First question number 11 after the question number 12. Find the measure of angle C in figure 3.33 if AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Find the measure of angle C if AB parallel to DC. Friends, draw the figure. Your figure is such as draw the figure. Find the measure of angle C if AB parallel to DC. A, B, C and D. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Your angle B in the figure is 120 and you have to find out the measure of angle C. Measure of angle C. Om Singh. Om Singh. Am I audible to you? Om Singh. Am I audible to you? Arhan Yadav. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Friends, are you observing this question on the whiteboard? AB is parallel to DC, angle B is equal to 120 degree. You have to find out the measure of angle C. How can you find out it? Please give me.
Sir, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram.
It is not in parallelograms.
And then angle B is equal to 60.
Friends, AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. And BC is a transversal. Is a transversal. So angle B, therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles is of 180 degree. Sum of angle this and this is equal to 180 degree.
So
180 degree. Sum of interior angle.
Sir, angle C is equal to 60.
Yes. sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is of 180 degree. 180 degree. Angle B is equal to 120 degree given, and you have to find out measure of angle C. Now angle C is equal to 180 minus 120. So angle C is equal to 60 degree. Do it fast. Okay students, any doubt, any problems? Question number 12. Find the measure of angle P and S in SP parallel to RQ in figure 3.34. If you find measure of angle R, if there more than one method to find measure of angle P, find the measure of angle P and S if SP parallel to RQ.
Sir, may I?
Yes, student, wait. It is 90 degree. It is your 130 degree
130 degree.
and PQRS. It is your PQRS. You have to find out the measure of angle P as well as S. SP parallel to RQ. SP parallel to RQ. SP parallel to RQ. Please keep in mind SP parallel to RQ. And angle R 90 degree, angle Q 130 degree. You have to find out the measure of angle P as well as angle S. Yes. Ashish Kumar Yadav. How can you find out the measure of angle P and angle S? Have you any idea?
So may I tell?
Sir, may I?
So may I?
Sir, may I?
Yes. Arnav. Isha Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, measure of S is equals to 90 degree
Why?
and
Why?
so because it is a right angle triangle and
Right angle triangle? Where is triangle?
Sir, S and P is sir.
No, sir, because it is a transversal and the angles are supplementary.
Supplementary.
Sir, P is equals to 50 degree.
Why?
So
Why?
180 degree minus 130 degree is equals to 50 degree.
Yes. Student, how can you write it? Yes. Listen to me. SP parallel to RQ, SP parallel to RQ, and SR is a transversal. Is a transversal. Students, this line is parallel to this line, and this is a transversal. SP parallel to RQ and SR is a transversal, so angle S plus angle R. (180 degree). Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior. Co-interior means क्या होता है? आपके पास टू पैरेलल लाइन है, या ये ट्रांसवर्सल, ये एंगल क्या होता है? ये दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल आर co-interior angles, and co-interior angle will be sum 180 degree. 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is of 180 degree. Now angle R is given. You have to find out the angle S. Angle R 90 degree is given. That is 180. Angle S is equal to 180 minus 90.
Angle S is equal to
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Okay, students. Now SP parallel to RQ and PQ is a transversal. SP parallel to RQ and PQ is a transversal. Same. Is a transversal. Transversal. Now angle P plus angle Q. Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is of 180 degree. Your angle Q is 130 degree. You have to find out the angle B. That is 130 degree. That is 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 130 degree. Angle P is equal to
50 degree.
50 degree. Do it fast. Do it fast. Sphere is a rectangle. Sphere is a parallelogram. Sphere is a rhombus. Sphere is a trapezium. Okay. Up in this question, sphere is not parallelograms. Why? Because all properties of parallelogram satisfy the properties of a sphere. Because all properties of a parallelograms satisfied the properties of a sphere. ए स्क्वायर। अगर क्वेश्चन ये होता कि all squares are parallelograms, it is true, but question is that all squares are not parallelograms, it means false. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All kites are rhombus. All kites are rhombus. rhombus की सभी प्रॉपर्टी काइट में लाई करती है? नहीं करती।
Sir, false.
All kites are rhombus. All properties of rhombus lie in kites. No. अब यहाँ पे please tell me properties of rhombus and check that these properties satisfied the properties of kite or not. False. Why? Why? Who will tell me why all kites are parallelogram, no, rhombus or not? All kites are rhombus. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
All kites are rhombus. All the properties of rhombus satisfy the properties of kite.
No, sir.
In rhombus, opposite sides are parallel. In rhombus, all sides are equal but in parallel. All sides are not equals. All sides are not equal. All sides are not. Okay. Now write false. Why? Because all properties of rhombus does not satisfy the properties of a sphere, of a kite. Students, remaining parts F, G and H in homework. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 2. Question number 2. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have 4 sides of equal length. Four
Square.
Square.
only square.
Square,
Rhombus.
sir, square, rhombus.
Rhombus and square. Rhombus and square. Question number 2. Please tell me that quadrilateral whose 4 right angles. Whose 4 angles right angles?
Rectangle.
In square, yes. In square and rectangle, all angles are right angles. Right angles. Question number 2. First part. 4 sides of equal length. Equal length. It means equal length. Rhombus and square. Rhombus and square. Second, all 4 angles are of right angle, rectangle and square. Rectangle and square. Explain how a square is quadrilateral. एक स्फीयर जो है उसको हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल कैसे कह सकते हैं?
So because it has four
A
sides.
square is a quadrilateral since it has four sides.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. How a square is parallelograms? Can you do it?